First and foremost, thank everybody for coming today. You have no idea how, for me, this is a dream come true because I love, 1, to barbecue, 2, to entertain, 3, to meet new people, and 4, just to enjoy life in general. So for me, this is living good. So cheers to all of you. Be safe. Let's have some fun and let's make some memories because that's what Reds is all about. I want to be able to have people really enjoy the experience of life because I think we all suffer too much of the hustle and bustle, tragedies, you know, the things that go on in everyone's life. Everybody can tell a story, but what I want to do is I want to share and make new memories with new people. So that's what I'm about. Reds is not about amazing barbecue. It's not about authentic Napolitano-style pizza or Brazilian barbecue. What it is about hanging out. It's about making memories. It's about chilling with me, Red. And whenever I finish this Red Force One tour in the next 2 to 3 years, it'll continue to go, but I'm gonna build a barn in Ashburn, and it's gonna look like in a Tuscan style barn, but when you walk in, it's gonna look like you walk into East Texas. And then it's gonna have a huge smokehouse out back, and then in front of me is gonna be Red's Bar. Anybody that sits in front of me eats for free, because that's gonna be able to give me the chance to talk to people. I have a group of 6 people. I can always chat. It's gonna be beautiful. Whenever I'm doing stuff in my house, like for friends or family or doing whatever, usually we're doing it for like 4 or 5 hours. And what I do is I show people how I do it, how I cook it, and then we celebrate and we eat it all together and have fun. So it's like an educational experience, but at the same time, like we're still building memories and we're eating amazing food. Like it's just a byproduct of what we got going on. About every 15 minutes, I'm gonna bring out a different cut of meat. I'm gonna take you to a different part of the world. I'm gonna take you to a different part of the United States. Some of you don't know where I'm gonna be going. I'm gonna change the music. You can guess where I'm gonna go, and then we're gonna have some fun. So cheers, guys.